This is Gear Aid sewing kit. When you go to Philmont, they recommend that you have a sewing kit just in case your backpack tears, or if you have something that you need to mend, they want you to have a sewing kit. So I saw this on Moose Jaw and thought this would be pretty cool. It's everything in there that you would need. It's supposed to be lightweight, which is what you're definitely looking for when you're going to Philmont. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First impressions, it's very lightweight. It's I can squish the plastic, so that concerns me a little bit. I hope it is not a plastic that's going to come apart at the seams while we're out on Philmont. But it is definitely lightweight, so that's nice. It took me a second to figure out how to open this. You just pop this top off. And then inside, it's got 2 buttons, 2 good size safety pins, a seam ripper, and let's see what's in here. Some needles. Oh, these are good size needles. This is definitely something you'd want, this type of size, if you're going to be sewing up a backpack. Not like your regular little tiny sewing needles you would find in the store. You'd want something thicker like this. This is actually pretty good. Not bendy. That would be definitely very good for trying to mend a backpack. So not a bad kit. I'm pretty happy with it. Thimble. Interesting fact, they're bringing the thimble back on Monopoly. For any Monopoly players. I always like that one. So this is my review on this guy. We'll see how it handles on the Philmont trick. Oh, one little piece. There we go. They've got some heavy duty thread right here too that you can use to sew up your stuff. Overall, looks like a good kit. We'll see how it holds up to Philmont. One last observation I wanted to mention. When I was putting everything back in the kit, it didn't go back in very easily. You don't want to put all the stuff into the big part and then put the lid on. It doesn't fit very well. Put everything that you can fit into the lid and then put the top part on, and it will go in easier. Just wanted to let you know that.